Akili, 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 akili. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. La 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 la, la 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 la. 1, 2, 3. La 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 la, la 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 la. 1, 2, 3. La 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 la, la 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 la. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. La 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 la, la 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 la. 1, 2, 3. La 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 la, la 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 la. 1, 2, 3. La 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 la, la 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 la. 1, 2, 3. Jump up 1 time. 1. Clap your hands 2 times. 1, 2. Nod your head 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Jump up 1 time. 1. Clap your hands 2 times. 1, 2. Nod your head 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. La 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 la, la 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 la. 1, 2, 3. La 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 la, la 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 la. 1, 2, 3. La 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 la, la 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 la. 1, 2, 3. Akili!
How to download an Ubongo app from the Play Store. Before you start, make sure that you have the device's owner's permission and that your data is on. You will also need a Google account. If you don't have one, ask for advice from a wise friend or a trustworthy phone repairer. From your phone's home screen, look for the Play Store icon and give it a tap. Tap the search bar and type the name of the app. Choose the app that you want. Ubongo is under all of the names of our apps. Tap on Install and wait. Once installed, tap Open. You have done it! Enjoy! If you liked the app, then come back and give a 5-star review. If not, then share your feedback.
Support Ubongo, the creators of Akili and Me, by donating through www.ubongo.org/donate.